really excited tonight for our first annual community open house to showcase all of our programs that we offer in the district, of what we do and what we're able to provide, and build relationships with outside agencies so that as we continue to move forward, we have the ability to collaborate with those companies and those services that are in Glenn County.
The benefit of Parent Club for Families is showing up for your kiddos on campus, having them see you there, having them see you involved with their teachers, involved with their peers. We are going to have the wild things coming to our school here soon. They bring animals, the kids get to see them. It's really cool. We also put on a haunted hallway and the winter wonderland. There's so many events that we do at Mill Street that's really amazing.
We, plan fun things for the school. We do a lot of fundraising.
Our next big one coming up is going to be Fairview book sales. So it'll be Wednesday, December 10th. We will have a Santa there, so pictures with Santa if you want to bring the kids out. I believe it'll be 5:30 to 7:30.
I was born and raised here, and Elisa was born and raised here, so it's really cool to be a part of seeing so many people here to show off the different programs we have at Orland.
We have brown rice and chili pork verde. We also have chicken sandwiches, regular and spicy, and then we've got a conglomerate of parfaits. What I really wanted to do is get a lot of the parents out here to sample what we're serving their kids so that they have an idea that it is good and healthy food for them. We have a Thanksgiving lunch coming up on November 14th, Friday, hoping that the kids' parents come join them for Thanksgiving lunch. They're welcome to come and have lunch for $6.
Oh, it's really fun to be able to share what we do in the high school auto shop, learning how to do basic maintenance on vehicles. We start learning how to do basic circuits. We do alignment and tires and wheels. And we've got some interactive circuits here that kids can come and make some lights and some buzzers go off.
So I am representing Mill Street and Fairview PE. I teach TK to 5th grade. My goal is to help kids have fun moving. I want them to love being active and finding different ways to move their body and be confident to try a sport maybe when they're at CK or the high school. At Fairview in particular, I do an awesome running program called Marathon Kids, so I'm just really trying to share that and get families involved with it at home.
Girls on the Run. The goal is to help girls become more confident and have connection and positivity and an I can attitude, really empowering.
Well, obviously I work with Orland Unified with being the school resource officer. I love being present here for the kids, supporting them and what they do, and also being here for the parents and letting them know what I can provide to the families here in Orland.
People thought it was cool, especially these tissue paper sweetbreads.
Dry toilet paper is the core, and then they wrap it with wet and mold it. And once it's fully dry, paint with watercolor.
Really, really fun project. I had really high engagement.
People are excited to have the kids have more opportunities to make art.
We have so many amazing dancers. We're really fortunate to have an EL program and a dual immersion program that represents our Hispanic population, and we get to see them dance and perform almost every day.
Parents have gone through here as students themselves, and so they try to look through the yearbook and find themselves, and now they have students in Orland Unified. They're really happy to see themselves.
We're pretty much just telling people about the class and showing them what some of the stuff that we do. We learned how to do taxes, how you should spend and manage your money, and we're gonna do a cooking unit pretty soon. It's just a really fun class.
Being here, I got free food. I got to meet with my teachers and learn about stuff that I can do in high school as well. So that was really fun.
It was very successful. It was nice to see not only our families and many of our employees and our students here, but our community partners. Like Glenn County Sheriff's Deputy was here, Orland Police Department was represented, GCOE was represented, a wide variety of our community partners were here, and we really appreciate that.
Orland's doing a nice job in education. The community of Orland's growing. Orland has good relationships, positive atmosphere around town and in the school system. So yeah, an event like this gives OUSD a chance to highlight the positive things that are happening in the school day.
I think living here in Orland is such a great asset because of what we offer with Orland Unified.
I really enjoy this community. I feel like they've brought me in and made me a part of the family.
Every day is a better day.
And I just love being a part of that Orland community.
We're all here for one purpose, is the betterment of our community and our families and our students and our future.
I'm a little biased, but I think Orland Unified School District's the best in the county, and we continue to grow, and we have unbelievable staff that make that possible on a daily basis.
There they go.